Join me as I take on the challenge of identifying the stressful habits that are secretly draining my income. Stressful habits can have a significant impact on our financial health and career growth. They can sneak up on us, slowly chipping away at our productivity and income potential, without us even realizing it. Today, we're going to shine a light on these habits and explore how they're affecting our bottom line. One of the most common stressful habits is procrastination. We've all been guilty of putting off tasks until the last minute, but this habit can have serious financial consequences. When we procrastinate, we're not only wasting time, but we're also increasing the likelihood of making costly mistakes. For example, imagine putting off a project until the last minute, only to find out that you've forgotten a crucial step, resulting in a lost sale or a damaged reputation. Another habit that can be hindering our income potential is a lack of organization. When our workspace or digital files are cluttered and disorganized, it can lead to wasted time searching for information, missed deadlines, and lost opportunities. For instance, if you're a freelancer, a disorganized invoicing system can result in delayed payments or even lost clients. Additionally, impulsive spending can be a major stress-inducing habit that's draining our income. Whether it's buying unnecessary gadgets or indulging in expensive hobbies, these impulsive purchases can quickly add up, leaving us with empty pockets and a sense of guilt. A recent study found that the average American spends over $1,000 per year on impulse buys, money that could be better spent on saving, investing, or debt repayment. Furthermore, failing to set clear boundaries with clients, colleagues, or even friends and family can lead to chronic stress and a loss of income. When we say yes to every request that comes our way, we can become overwhelmed, leading to burnout and a decrease in productivity. This can result in missed deadlines, lost contracts, and a damaged reputation. Let's take a closer look at how these habits are costing us. Procrastination can lead to missed deadlines, lost sales, and damaged reputations. A lack of organization can result in wasted time, missed opportunities, and lost clients. Impulsive spending can lead to debt, wasted resources, and a sense of guilt. Failing to set clear boundaries can result in burnout, chronic stress, and a decrease in productivity. But here's the most critical insight. Understanding that changing these habits can lead to increased productivity and income opportunities. When we break free from these stressful habits, we open ourselves up to new possibilities, new opportunities, and new income streams. We can finally start building the financial future we deserve. So what habits are you guilty of? Take a moment to reflect on your daily routine and identify the habits that could be secretly draining your income. Remember, small changes today can lead to big financial rewards tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and if you've struggled with stress and productivity, share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing my top productivity tips to help you maximize your income potential.